Hola amigos, ¿qué pasó? And welcome to another edition of M M's Home Bartending. It is summertime here in Colorado. It is hotter than blazes throughout the country. So let's grab our tequilas, our cervezas, and let's head south to the border. Let's go. Vámonos! Thanks for sticking around. Again, my name is Matt, and this is M M's Home Bartending. Just to refresh you, this is a series based on Marlis and myself exploring home bartending. I'm not a bartender. Marlis certainly is not a bartender, but we enjoy our drinks at home. We like basically discovering new drinks, how to make them, and you can do this too. I mean, it's fantastic. You don't need to go down to a bar and go drinking. Stay home, don't drink and drive, but let's begin. So, two drinks today, two of our favorite drinks really, Margaritas and Michelada. I've been drinking margaritas for, since I've been 21. It's really, over the years, it's taken me to realize that the ultimate margarita is a nice, simple margarita made with tequila, 100% agave tequila, which is important. You don't want anything that's not 100%, because that's what gives you the headache at 2 o'clock in the morning. Along with triple sec or Contro, love the Contro, crash, and then Grand Marnier on a floater. And of course, lime. And this is important, fresh lime. Don't use limeade or anything of that nature, but just use a fresh lime. One good lime into your margarita and it's perfect. So again, 3 ounces of the tequila, 2 ounces of the Contro, and then the Grand Marnier. All right, so here we go. I'm sorry?
Please take the beer away from the Contro so they can see it.
Oh, I see. Thank you. See, I told you, there is a Marlis here, believe it or not. She does exist. Keep our glasses in the refrigerator and nice and chilled. Okay, so we're gonna salt our rim. Marlis will say not too much, but just enough to give you a good taste. Add some ice. And again, 3 shots of the tequila. And that's 3 1-ounce shots. 1, 2, 3. 2 ounces of the Contro or triple sec. And 1 ounce of the lime juice. Okay, so to recap, 3 ounces of the tequila, 2 ounces of the Contro, Grand Marnier goes in last, and then a whole lime, all right? So that went in there. We're gonna pour that in, give it a good shake. Fill up with your ice. And you have a good, simple margarita. Put a little floater on it with a Grand Marnier, make it a Cadillac margarita, and you're golden. Don't forget your lime. Cheers. Oh, that is so good. All right, so the story behind the Michelada. Marlis and I were down in, go stop that. She's cracking me up, okay? We were down in Cozumel diving, and it's a hot day, and we're done diving, we're hot. We don't want a margarita that has too much tequila, that'll make us a little loopy. So we asked our waiter, what do you have that's good and tasty? Yes, we do like cervezas, and it was really good. And he said, a Michelada. Have you ever had a Michelada? And I said, no, what's a Michelada? And he said, well, basically it's a Bloody Mary with beer. Okay, let's have that. Because we love our Bloody Marys. So get your favorite cerveza. And the ingredients are really easy. You want your Clemento juice or tomato juice, maybe V8, but Clemento juice. And there's some recipes out there that ask for 4 ounces. We're just going to do an ounce of that. A little bit of the Worcestershire sauce. Give it a good taste. This is Maggie's. Get at the store, or a soy sauce. It's the same type. And then for that really good kicker, and really this is all about you and how spicy you like to have your drink, Tabasco sauce. And then all important, don't forget your lime. All right, so let's go ahead and start that. I needed a glass. Hey. Here we go. Okay. We discovered tahini. This is going to be our rimmer. That's quite tasty, made with chilies. So you set up your glass. And this calls for, again, 1 whole lime, or about an ounce of fresh lime juice. So we got that in there. Again, Tabasco sauce, shake it. And to taste. Or at least just said, what the heck are you doing? Good Tabasco sauce. Maggie's, please tell me how to pronounce it. Thank you. About 5 dashes or so. And it's, you know what? And it's all about experimentation. Try it. If you don't like it the first time, try something, a little less. And then the Worcestershire sauce. I think that's about right. You notice I'm not operating out of the recipe book, because last time Marley said, get your nose out of the recipe book. It was always down there like that. Okay, thank you. So you notice, no recipe book.
How many drops of Worcestershire sauce?
You know what? Thank you for asking that, Marlis. I did about, about 3 or 4, not drops, but just kind of splashes. And it's all by taste, and it's experimentation. And that's what the beauty of it. You take a look at these bartenders, and again, I'm not a professional bartender by any sort. However, I like to drink. But it's all about taste, and it's how you like it. And finally, the tomato base, and we're only using an ounce of the tomato base because, quite frankly, you don't want it. To us, you don't want it too overpowering, but you want a good taste to it. And then again, your Mexican cerveza. Usually kind of a light lager cerveza. I wouldn't go for the darker ones, only because it kind of gets overpowering. But you add everything together. So I did the limes, yes. I did this, yes. So you got everything. I think we're ready to rock and roll. So we add that in. Let that foam up. Give it a nice little stir. And you kind of like to have it like a little light brown, little golden, almost like the color of the tahini. And you just sip away. Ah, this is gonna be good. That just adds just a great taste to it. On a hot day, beating down the sun, you've just been diving, you're out on the Caribbean, blue waters. This tastes great. All right. So, any questions? It is thirst quenching. Because Marlis and I we get these drinks, the Micheladas, and we'd be cleaning our dive gear, washing everything and drinking these things. And by the time we're done drinking our cleaning our dive gear, we're ready for another one, and then it's off to bed for another day of diving. So that's it. Two really simple recipes. Again, the ultimate margarita. 3 shots of tequila, 2 shots of the Contro, the triple sec, 1 ounce of lime or 1 lime period, and top it off with a Grand Marnier. And then for your Michelada, we got the Clementa, Worcestershire, soy sauce or Maggi sauce, and to taste, Tabasco. By the way, I'm starting to feel that Tabasco right now. And don't forget the lime and the tahini for the rimmer. All right, that's it. I'm Matt with M M's Home Bartending. Marlis is in back. I wish she had cue cards, but she doesn't. But she is the director, and so we're here. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe.
You do a better job.
You're so funny. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Remember, don't drink and drive. Play at home. Have a great time. Experiment. Be your own bartender. And most part, have fun. So for Matt and Marlis, ciao for now. Cheers, Prost, and see you next time.
Salute.
Oh, salute. There we go. See ya. Good? See ya. Oh yes, we recorded it! Woo! 3, 2, 1. Hola amigos, ¿qué pasó? And welcome. It is summertime here in Colorado. The birds are out, the hummingbirds are here, the rufuses are taking over. But you know what? It is time to grab our tequilas, cerveza, and let's head south to the border. Yeah, grab our tequilas, cervezas, and let's head south to the border. Amigos, andale, actionel, let's go. Marlis, that was for you. Okay, ice. Hold on. Well, you know, this might not work. Of course it goes off. So yes, the answer is I do drink everything I produce. This is the 3rd go around.